in the place of our mounted warriors. Many of them are dressed in very similar fashion to those Norman knights on horseback. The state of the military art is the state of the military art. If you are a professional soldier, or if you are a noble with plenty of cash, then you will buy the best kit you can, just as Duke William did for his horse soldiers. And now they come up the hill in exactly the same way as the warriors did on the 14th of October. You, ladies and gentlemen, are the Saxons. You, ladies and gentlemen, are the targets. Will you stand? Will you stand? Now, all the shields that our warriors have are indeed made of wood, so an axe could turn a shield into kindling. You can hear the rattle as these heavy axe heads thunk into. In red, the first of our foemen is down. Well, knife fighting is brutal, dirty and ugly. You get up close and personal. You can smell the garlic on the Norman's breath. You can see the fear battlefield as well. Particularly if you are having lots of peers with scimitars and all sorts of government. Here we have his broad-bladed sword used one-handed, almost always with a shield. It has a point. The blade is probably the principal weapon, the cutting edge. Cutting edge on both sides, unlike the snakes. And now you can really hear the sounds of battle as you hear the ring of sword upon sword. And swiftly the harvest is cut, and the human crop lies upon. Edge to the rim. You can crash the rim of that shield down upon an unprotected warrior's toes. Poorer soldiers on the 1066 battlefield may have gone into war bare toes. They don't distract your enemy. A rim of a shield can be smashed into a face. The boss, the steel boss, can be punched into a face as well. We haven't got that many left. We're down to the last half dozen.
Fight to make it a Norman kingdom for your children and your grandchildren! Fight and take what is yours by right! Fight and be victorious! Normandy! Who will be the winner? Make some noise for Saxon, for Norman, for the English, for Normandy! Just one champion, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have come out to fight him. Oh! He's speared! He is unhorsed. First blood to Saxon England!
Evansville, Bexhill, Aylsham, Hastings, and have slaughtered his people by the 100. He could not allow his subjects to endure such terror any longer. Harold has galloped south at great speed, leaving a large part of his army to follow on foot. This proves God's blessing on our endeavor. Now, let us slaughter this English army, and quickly, before they are reinforced.
Yes, as William says, let us slaughter this English army, and quickly, before they are reinforced. His archers are doing the work of softening up the shield wall. The Saxons do not have anywhere near as many archers, a few slingers hurling rocks into the midst of the enemy. And here they come. Implacable warriors in their... William hopes to break it with one charge up the hill using his fearsome infantry. Here they come. Battle is about to begin. Will the Saxons stand? Here they come, and they're in! Battle is raging at the top of Senlac Hill. Saxon versus Norman, spear versus shield, sword versus helm. The noise of battle, they come! Admire their courage and cheer the horsemen on as they make contact. William himself taunting the Saxon shield wall. If your heart lies with the Normans, then cheer the horsemen on now! If you want the shield wall to stand firm, then cheer for Saxon England! Of Normandy, Brittany and France and Flanders, these men have come. This time they will get in, this time they will break the shield wall. Bretons are the first ones in here on the left flank of the Norman army, the right flank of the English army. Only 20 paces behind them come the heavy infantry of William's own Norman troops, the heaviest and hardest hitting of the Norman line. Within seconds, they too are engaged. And finally, on the Norman right flank, the Franco-Flemish contingent. It pauses and then it charges. And once again, there is a general melee, a battle all the way along the English shield wall. Here is danger. Can they push through? Can they break the English shield wall? This is a moment of crisis. William needs to hold his line. He can't allow his troops to retreat halfway down the battlefield. He decides to send in some of his horsemen to stabilise the situation. The Norman knights, pursuing the English that have come down the field. They fight the scattered English warriors that are all over the place. Are they enough? It's not enough. The English are still fighting. Even the weight of these Norman horsemen is not enough to break the English that have come down the hill. William himself will personally lead his remaining knights up the hill. The fight is general, horsemen spreading up to the shield wall. More Norman knights come crashing in. The fight is general, the horsemen are spread across the shield wall. But what's that? A red cloak on foot! William of Normandy is down! He has been unhorsed! A chance for the Saxons. Can they kill William of Normandy while he's on foot? Cheer now for the Saxons if you want them to kill Duke William! He flees down the hill!
An arrow! He's hit! I saw him stagger!
My lord, Winson, by the grace of God,
Harold has been hit!
I'm sure it was him. By the blood of Christ, my archers have earned their pay today.
If King Harold was indeed...
And finish King Harold off. They close with their enemy. The tide truly has been turned. Earlier we thought William was unhorsed and killed. Now it seems King Harold himself has been struck by an arrow, blood pouring from a wound in his face. Now the horsemen circle and stab down, knocking off the Hearthguard, the personal body...